I'd like to start by saying I think it's clear to all of us that the value of the connectivity in a mobile environment is most apparent for a car. You can really understand and grasp what kind of value you get by having the car continuously connected with high performance, where it may be on the highway or wherever. And that this sets high requirements on the standard, on the engineers in Sofia Antipolis to solve these problems. And so an automotive use case is a use case which brings high value from the standard. It utilizes all the bells and whistles of the standard, whereas a Coke machine, which is just telling you when it's empty and needs to be refilled, does not need so many bells or whistles. And so the automotive industry crying for the same price for every use case would really be a disaster for the whole industry if it was adopted, because then all the low-end use cases would never happen because the price would be prohibitive, so to speak. And so I think in order to get value back to the innovators and to maintain a growing ecosystem and new features coming, there has to be a reasonable return on investment to the innovators, including product companies having research or really specialized research companies. It's a very well working ecosystem, and so I can only support the idea that holdout behavior in this context needs to be sort of punished by courts, by the authorities that will help overlook this ecosystem and needs to protect the innovation ecosystem that we all have benefited so much from.